I thought we were turning the corner on COVID, but now we hear that COVID care is being rationed. There are 11 variants and breakthrough cases are cropping up. When COVID struck, I was in an African country with only 3 ventilators, and being an engineer, I started to study ventilators on the internet, and I discovered a version I could build using plywood, water pipes, and other stuff I could scavenge. What I want to tell you is that everyone with a saw, a drill, a screwdriver can build this very effective ventilator to minimize rationing of ICU beds in the States. Before you decide I am a crazy guy, maybe I am, stay with me for a few seconds. This is me with the ventilator. Obviously, I didn't need to be intubated or put into a coma. Medical studies are now indicating that the design I chose might actually be better for COVID patients than the $50,000 ventilators. Currently, I'm in India to simplify and tailor my ventilator design so that it can be built by any handy person in any town or village in India, or anywhere in the world for that matter. And now with your help, we will ramp up our activities here. Rural clinics around the world have needed ventilators long before COVID struck. They need them for treating the millions of people who die from common diseases that attack the lungs like COVID does. And we're going to make it possible for the ventilators to be made in the communities where they are needed. Our goal is to post YouTube videos to show people how to make our ventilator from local parts and how to use the ventilator when it is made. In America, it will be even easier to make the ventilator because so many homes have workshops that are ideally suited to making such a simple device. A modern hospital ICU bed is the best solution for a COVID patient, but if that is not available for whatever reason, perhaps our ventilator design can help a person to fight off the disease. Your donation will help us to get the word out, to tailor our design for American builders, and at the same time, further our work in India for remote medical clinics around the world. I kept this short, but there is more information below, and I will add more in the coming days. Please, click the donate button.